Linking multiple bank accounts to your Venmo for Business can help streamline your transactions and manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to set up your accounts. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your business account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the Settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods option. Tap on it to view your current linked bank accounts and the option to add new ones. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Choose the option to Add Bank Account. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Step 5. Confirm and verify. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have linked multiple bank accounts, you can easily manage your transactions and choose which account to use for payments. Enjoy the convenience of having multiple funding sources at your fingertips.